This laptop is powered by processor 12th Gen Intel Evo Core i7-1250U with 1.1 GHz base speed, 12 MB cache, up to 4.7 GHz turbo max speed in 10, 2P plus 8E cores. It has 16 GB LPDDR5 memory with 5200 MHz speed. The laptop is backed with integrated Intel Iris X graphics and Windows 11 Home. It has a storage of 1 TB, M.2, NVMe, PCIe 4.0 performance SSD. The battery of the laptop lasts up to 9.5 hours. Get the most amazing visual journey with 17.3 inches, 43.94 centimeters, 2.5K, 2560 by 1920, fold and 4 ratio 3 aspect ratio. The touchscreen has 0.2 milliseconds response time with 500 nits HDR peak brightness and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. The display is VESA certified with HDR True Black 500, 1.07 billion colors, Pantone validation, glossy panel, 70% less harmful blue light and screen-to-body ratio of 87%. Give your ears a feast with speakers certified by Harman Kardon and Dolby Atmos to deliver powerful and immersive sound. The laptop is designed with USMIL, STD810H military-grade standard, yet has a thin and light design and weighs 1.50 kg. The laptop comes along with a user manual, Type-C, 65-watt AC adapter, sleeve, USB-C to USB-A adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking.